How to fix Battlefield 6 Portal Global Game Quota Exceeded error. Hey everyone! In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Battlefield 6 Portal Global Game Quota Exceeded error that's stopping you from joining matches. If you keep seeing this error message and can't get into any games, don't worry. Just follow these steps carefully, and we'll get everything working again in no time. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, go to your Windows search bar and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt in the results, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This step is super important. If you don't run it as admin, the commands we're about to use might not work properly. Once the Command Prompt window opens, we're going to reset your internet connection using a few simple commands. Don't worry, all the commands are listed down in the video description, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. These commands help refresh your network settings, clear old configurations, fix potential connection issues that might be causing the Battlefield 6 portal error. After you've entered all the commands, restart your computer. This step applies all the changes and completes the network reset. Once your PC is back on, launch Battlefield 6 again and check if the Portal Global Game Quota Exceeded problem is fixed. In most cases, this quick network reset completely solves the issue and gets you back in the game without any errors. And that's it. If this solution worked for you, make sure to hit the like button and let me know in the comments that it helped. If you're still seeing an error or something else pops up, drop a comment with the details. I'll do my best to help you out.